Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google Cloud login problems. Permission errors explained step by step clearly. Open an incognito or private window to rule out cached sessions and extensions. Try signing in with the exact Google account that owns or was invited to the cloud project. Check you are on the correct URL by going to Console, Cloud, Google.com, and not a bookmarked subpage. If you see you don't have permission, open a new tab and visit Cloud, Google.com to confirm the account in the top right corner. Switch accounts and reload until the displayed account matches the intended one. If your organization uses Google Workspace, confirm you are not blocked by an admin sign-in policy. Ask your admin to verify Cloud Console access is allowed for your user and organizational unit. If you were invited to a project, open the invitation email and accept it before trying again. In the Cloud Console, click the project selector and make sure the correct project is selected. If the project does not appear, you likely lack visibility, so request at least the viewer role for that project. Have a project owner add you in IAM by going to IAM and Admin, then IAM, then grant access. Ask them to assign the minimum role you need, such as viewer, editor, or specific service roles. If you need to manage IAM, request the project IAM admin role or ask an owner to do changes for you. If the error mentions billing, ask for billing account user access or ensure a billing account is linked to the project. If the error mentions API disabled, open APIs and services and enable the required API for the selected project. If you are using Cloud, run Cloud Auth login and choose the correct account in the browser prompt. Then run Cloud config set account your email at example.com to pin the active account. Run Cloud config set project_ID to ensure commands target the right project. If you use service accounts, verify the service account exists and has the required IAM roles. Check that the service account key is valid and not deleted or rotated unexpectedly. If you are using a company network, try a different network to rule out proxy or firewall interference. Disable browser extensions that modify headers or block scripts. Then retry the login. Clear cookies only for accounts, Google.com and Console, Cloud, Google.com to avoid wiping everything else. If you see request had insufficient authentication scopes, re-authenticate and ensure correct OAuth scopes are granted. If you see 403 permission_denied, copy the full error text and note the resource name and permission mentioned. Use the IAM policy troubleshooter in Google Cloud to test whether your account has the required permission. Confirm your system time is correct because large clock drift can break secure sign-in tokens. If nothing works, create a support case or contact the project owner with screenshots and the exact timestamp of the error. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.